This episode was brought to you by Pentester Academy, the leader in online cybersecurity education. Join over 10,000 professionals from 90 countries to learn security online. Pentester Academy would like to remind you that February is National Free and Open Source Software Month. This celebration recognizes the contributions and cooperative approach to computer programming, open licensing, and the free distribution of software. So, celebrate with us this month by tuning into the Toolbox every Monday and Wednesday to learn about the latest free and open source tools. I'm Marley Oxenholm from Pentester Academy TV, and welcome to our show, The Toolbox, where we showcase the latest and greatest software tools so you can use them to better your security. I have an awesome tool to show you guys today. Let's take a look at Sublist3r. Sublist3r is a subdomain enumeration tool which uses search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing to enumerate a subdomain for the given domain. This tool is written in Python and was developed by Ahmed Abuela. Now, you're probably wondering how to use this tool. Well, take a look at this great example. In this demo, we will learn how to find the subdomain for a target domain using Sublist3r tool. We will be using Microsoft.com for the demo. First, let's check the help options. Now, let's run the tool on Microsoft.com domain. The D flag defines the target domain name, and V flag specifies verbose mode. We can observe a lot of subdomain for Microsoft.com. We can also do a scan to find specific TCP ports related information by using P flag to define the port number. We can observe that for listed subdomains, port 443 is open. Now we restrict the tool to a specific search engine using E flag. We can now observe the subdomains found by using Bing search engine, which has port 443 in an open state. This tool can be used by the attacker to find subdomains which are not exposed to the user on UI and target them. However, a sysadmin can also use the same tool to mitigate the same situation. Well, that's all the time that I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tool breakdown. Be sure to tune in next time for another episode of The Toolbox. Also, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook so you don't miss out on any of the latest cybersecurity news. This episode is brought to you by Pentester Academy, the leader in online cybersecurity education. Join over 10,000 professionals from 90 countries to learn security online. Also brought to you by Hacker Arsenal, artillery for cyber warriors. Visit us on hackerarsenal.com to check out our latest attack defense gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Want to learn about another tool? Then click on any of these videos right over here. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos.